Hello everyone! Welcome to another learning episode. Last time, I gave you sample research titles for each qualitative research design. Today, I'm going to be giving another set of sample research titles, but this time, it's a science investigatory project research title. But before that, let me give you a short background first on what is science investigatory project. Science Investigatory Project, or we often call it as SIP, is a science-based research project that is performed by elementary, junior high school, and senior high school students who are under STEM strand or Science, Technology, Engineering curriculum. This SIP is a science experiment that is designed to be either in group class projects or individual projects that is created for Science Month or Science Fair and exhibitions. The intent of doing Science Investigatory Project is for our learners to have a chance of doing experiments in a fun, interesting, and engaging way, just like how college students and graduate students do it. Doing science investigatory projects for our junior high school and senior high school students who are taking STE and STEM strand is somewhat a preparatory activity for them, so they would have an idea on how to work on a research paper and do experimentation when they go to college. For our elementary students, doing SIP is a fun way of learning science concepts, so they will be able to do experimentations and learn the concepts better in a very practical way. There are actually different field of study for science investigatory project. One of the field study is life science. Life science is an innermost field of study that examines every living thing on Earth. This could be animals, plants, viruses, bacteria, single-celled organisms, and even cells. Life science studies the biology of how each organism lives. Without further ado, let's hop on to the next video, which are the sample research titles for Science Investigatory Project Life Science category. Our first title is Organic Fertilizer from Food Waste on Plant Growth. So what the researcher will do is to process the food waste and turn it into an organic fertilizer and check within a given period of time its effect on the growth of the plants. So this second title is Garlic as Natural Mosquito Repellent. In one of the literatures I read, it says that garlic has a natural property that causes mosquitoes to repel. In this research study, it investigates how effective garlic is in terms of its efficacy as mosquito repellent. And for our next title, we have lemongrass oil as a natural remedy in reducing dog fleas. Dog fleas are blood-sucking insects, and these are very harmful for the dogs. So it's very important to get rid of them. What the researcher could do is process this lemongrass and turn it into an oil and assess whether it's an effective remedy in reducing dog fleas. For our next title, we have coconut oil as natural insecticides on garden pests. There's a study that shows that coconut oil has a property that could be used as insecticides, and on this study, we're going to figure out how effective coconut oil is as natural insecticides on garden pests. And for our last research title, it's Lemon Aromatherapy Scent on Reducing Stress Levels in Humans. What the researcher has to do is to find an instrument or tool that would help him or her in checking the stress levels in humans. And right after implementing the intervention, which is the lemon aromatherapy, he or she has to check if there is a decrease in the levels of stress right after its administration. Those were our sample research titles. A little disclaimer before we end this video. I am not a science teacher, so if you have any questions regarding science concepts, kindly direct them to your science teacher or SIP advisor. I hope you gained some insights in this video. See you in our next episode. Keep on learning!